Hey friends, I want to let you in on a little secret. In a minute, we're going to be joining by Zoom with the 5 colleagues who were selected by the Jaeke Awards committee to receive this year's special recognition as part of the Harold and Violet Jaeke endowment, recognizing employee excellence. But we couldn't do it the easy way. So what we did was we came up with a little ruse. As you may know, in the past, we like to go around campus and surprise people when they're surrounded by colleagues with news of their selection. Couldn't do that this time. So we have asked our 5 winners to join us. They don't know that they're actually about to receive a Jaeke Award. They think that President Balls has asked them to serve on a special task force related to employee engagement. And because they're such engaged employees, they didn't bat an eye. Of course they wanted to do it. But what they don't realize is they're about to receive news of winning a Jaeke Award for the year 2020. So we're going to let them come in, and you can watch their surprise. And then we'll have a few more words in just a moment. But enjoy the fun. I think we'll surprise them.
First of all, thank you all for agreeing to join on this rainy afternoon.
Well, no problem.
Especially for Becky. We're glad you're not outside right now with the deluge. So
yeah, that was pretty convenient.
Just so you're all aware, this will be most of our time is going to be spent brainstorming. I'm going to give you a little bit of background on some of our past employee engagement efforts. Then we're going to have Steve make a few comments, and then we're going to reserve the bulk of the time for some interaction, and we're going to ask some things of you and get some things on your calendar, that sort of thing. So essentially, we're in a different mode here now, right? So we have to think creatively about how we do some of the important things that we do, especially in terms of employee engagement. There are many employee engagement activities, but among the majors are, sometimes we try to do a spring cleanup. Obviously, that's not going to be easy to do this time. We like to gather in the fall for a day where you're encouraged to wear blue and gold, and we have a wonderful breakfast in the PepsiCo Center. And then there's also the Jaeke Awards. I mean, you may know that that's an award. I pulled up the description. That's given annually to recognize outstanding performance by staff and faculty who show excellence in teaching and developing positive personal influences upon students that will encourage full development of their abilities and in enhancing the common life of the entire college community. So honorees are selected by a committee comprised of faculty, staff, and students, chosen in accordance with the Jaeke endowments guidelines. And really, we're just going to stop there for a minute because this is all a ruse, and you are all Jaeke Award winners. Stan Trout for administration, Jill Nielsen in dining services, Dr. Lena Zhu for faculty, Becky Schumacher for our facilities, and Karen in office person. So,
training first.
Did we get you? Did we get you?
So I'm taking notes.
I'm already doing
you got me.
We like to have fun informing Jaeke Award winners, and you are a fun group of colleagues. So at this time, I would like to invite Steve to make some comments about the importance of programs like this, and congratulations.
Thank you.
Well, first of all, let me congratulate you all, and let me thank Kai. This was truly a Kai moment that he let us on and then surprised us, which is one of the many reasons we love Kai. I think it's particularly meaningful to be a Jaeke Award recipient this year as we showcase the wonderful work of Augustana College employees. And for the last piece of this year, the wonderful work of Augustana College employees during very unusual times. And it's the workforce at Augustana College that has kept this college going during these difficult times, whether it has been teaching classes, keeping the administrative side of things going, try to run this institution from our homes, try to support students when their lives are thrown in chaos at the same time our own lives are thrown in chaos. So this is a huge award that you are receiving. It is Augustana's highest award that it gives to anyone in the workforce. And I want to thank you for all you do for Augustana College, but particularly all you do for Augustana College students. It really is extraordinary. So once again, congratulations. I'm so very proud of you.
Thank you.
Yay.
Thank you.
So, friends, I want to thank the complicity of HR. Brittany has been very helpful in this, and Laura always, Carrie too, because we're going to turn this video, with your permission, into a celebration that we will share with our colleagues, because we like to share your great news. And we're going to still try to find ways to do that, but we won't make you plan your own party.
Wait. I'm confused. Which one of you guys won the award?
Let's see. You did, Becky, for
No.
facilities. You are a Jaeke Award winner.
I did not.
I'm sorry if that was garbled before. You are
No.
a Jaeke Award winner.
Oh my God, no way. You freaking, oh, okay. That's now I'm feeling the lady earlier that was going, you got me too. Worse than
You're a
everybody else.
winner, and
You
you're a
guys are even
winner.
worse.
And you're a winner.
And,
Oh God, am I on Oprah? Ah.
well, and it's very well deserving, as it is for everyone. But Dr.
Oh,
Zhu is a
shucks.
winner for faculty, and Jill in dining services, and Sam in administration, and Karen for our office personnel support. And I've had a chance to work with all of you a little or more, and I couldn't be happier. So you know the process. There's an official college committee that looks at nominations. And friends, we had close to 100 submissions across
Wow.
the campus. And then that team is broken up into smaller groups, and they look at every category. And I can tell you, well, I can't tell you all the other nominees, because it would really, as they say, curl your toes, because there was some incredible colleagues. But the committee decided that your nominations, and of course your performance here at Augustana and everything you do to live up to the ideals of the Jaeke Endowment, were worthy of special recognition. So yeah, Becky, that's you.
Thank you.
Oh my God, thank you. You're so sneaky.
I can be pretty sneaky. I'm sorry. That's a
You're
sneaky.
very sneaky, because I was asking Kathy about this meeting, and she said, well, it's, she said student engagement in the fall. And I was like, well, I swear the email said employee engagement. And I was like, okay, so I was trying to think of fun things to do in the dorms and what we could do.
I was going to suggest the tie-dye because that was so much fun.
That was fun.
Well, and so each one of your supervisors played a role in this too, including the provost. So we wanted to make sure, Dr. Zhu, that if you contacted Wendy, that she would say, oh yes, this is very important.
Thank you, Kai. Thank you, everybody. I was surprised too. You got me too.
So we had a lot of accomplices. And now probably, yes, unless there are other comments from colleagues, I was going to say maybe the best news of all is what you had budgeted for a whole hour and maybe weeks of work is now freed up time. How's that?
Oh,
Oh,
so the whole meeting is a ruse. Wow.
yeah.
Oh, Becky, I'm gonna use this against you in the future. I'm gonna have
You should know I'm the gullible one. The guys are always giving me crap about it.
I'm just glad I put on a clean shirt for this thing.
Hey,
that's
I
why-
put on a little makeup.
Aw. But I'm so glad you all joined, because seeing your faces was priceless, and it's something we will look forward to sharing with our colleagues, if that's okay with everyone, that we share this
Yeah,
in the
totally
newsletter.
fine.
Yes.
No problem.
Thank
Well,
you
I
well,
look
so
like
edit
this
out.
every day. I don't need to put on makeup.
much.
I always look like I'm in my overalls and getting ready to go, like bring in the cows or something.
Oh, that's great. So Steve or Laura, Carrie, Brittany, any final words for our winners?
Congratulations. We're very proud of you.
Thank you for what you do for Augustana College.
Yes, and we'll
Thank
be
you.
in touch with a little bit more
Thank you.
detail on everything that goes along with winning the Jaeke Award. I do think it might be the first time that Sam has not been a part of a surprise.
Yeah, this is weird to be on this side of it. And you guys totally got me.
I was totally trying to read your face. Does he know what's going on?
Well, I was looking at you, and you were looking oddly very happy to be in a meeting where something else was getting added to your plate. And so I thought, this is interesting. Like, why is she so eager for this meeting? Well,
Oh,
now I
darn
know.
it. I've got to watch my expression more often.
Well, I'm glad my gullibility made everybody laugh.
Hey, Becky, priceless. And Karen, Jenny and I have walked by your house on 30th Street. I think we saw you once, we saw your husband once, and I'm like,
That's funny. Well, thank you.
all right. Well, thanks everyone for your time. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. And congratulations, Jaeke winners.
Oh,
Thank
thank
you.
you. Thank you.
I'm gonna go
Thank
throw
you.
a tennis
Thank you
ball
very
at
much.
Josh.
Okay. Bye-bye, everybody. Now that all of our colleagues have gone their separate ways, just one final word. It is an extraordinary attribute of Augustana that we are surrounded by a great cloud of very dedicated and very humble colleagues. And the 5 winners this year certainly exemplify that in so many ways. And I'm sure everybody who's watching this video knows at least one of them, probably more. And I think their service shines like a bright light. So I think I would like to simply thank the members of the Jaeke committee, whose anonymity we try to respect as best we can. But thanks also to the scores of people who submitted nominations. I wish it were easier or somehow more appropriate to share some of the things that are said. There is such appreciation at Augustana of colleagues, by colleagues. And I think that's such an extraordinary attribute of our campus community. The care we have for each other, the attention we pay to each other is really special. And you know, when I talk to colleagues who work in other places, I very quickly come to discern that this is a special place. And so I'd finally like to say thank you, you who are watching this. You're someone who makes this a special place in my book. So congratulations, Jaeke Award winners. And we will find a way in the fall, somehow or another, preferably over a breakfast burrito, to say thanks in person. Thank you.